Hello and welcome to Triple B Collectibles and Bergie's Box Breaks. It's me, Bergie, coming to you from 893 Randolph Avenue, St. Paul, Minnesota, the home of Triple B Collectibles, the home of the Minnesota Wild, the home of the Twins and the Vikings. Should we claim the Vikings? I don't know. Kind of sad. We sold out a Bowman'S Best. It is currently January 14th, 2020. It is 6:09 p.m. Start of the break. We sold out a box of 2019 Bowman'S Best. Another box break number 2, out of stock. So we're going to go over here real quick to the sheets, and we're going to randomize the owners, as I call you guys, or customers, and we're going to randomize the, oh, you know what, this one here messed up. And let me see if I can just put this, whoops. There it goes. It sometimes messes up. So Nathan G's got first spot in, last spot out, as you can see. We're going to go over to random.org. List randomizers. Nathan G, welcome. Steve Sports Cards, Chewy, David P, Brad C, Nathan G, Gary M, Dave N, and then Nathan G. So we're going to go over to random.org and grab some dice. Where's my dice roller? Dice roller. Now this dice that I'm rolling will be for both list randomizers. 7 times. 7 times. 1. Good luck. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the final time number 7. And it ends up being Dave N in the top and Steve Sports Cards in the bottom. Steve Sports Cards. All right, so let's go back over here to the break. Let's put them down here like that. Let's grab these here. Let's make them bold. Let's do this. Let's do this. Like that. All right. So now we're going to grab the teams. And by the way, the combo teams are the Cleveland Indians and the Oakland Athletics. Indians, Athletics, Royals, Twins. Those are your combo teams. Let's go back over here to the list randomizer. Let's grab a new one over here. Whoops. Let's grab this one here because that's the old one. Put them in like that. There you go. We're going to go 7 times because, like I said at the beginning, 7 times is always 7, seems like. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you ready? 7. 7 times on the team names. Arizona Diamondbacks are in the bottom, and the Atlanta Braves are up in first place. Right on, go Atlanta, go! All right, back over to here. Whoops, back over to here. Right there. So, Steve Sports Cards, you got the Atlanta Braves. Nathan G, you got the Tampa Bay Rays. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Mold it out. There we go. All right, Nathan G with the Rays. Brad C, you got the Twins and Royals. Steve's Sports Cards, you got the Detroit Tigers. Nathan G with the New York Mets. Dave N with the Washington Nationals. Chicago White Sox going to Nathan G. Texas Rangers, Gary M. Cincinnati Reds, Nathan G. San Francisco Giants, Chewy. Boston Red Sox, Gary. Angels, Brad C. Nathan G with the Baltimore Orioles and the Pittsburgh Pirates. Chewy with the St. Louis Cardinals. Nathan G, first spot mojo, Toronto Blue Jays. Nathan G with the San Diego Padres. Steve Sports Cards with the Seattle Mariners. And with the Miami Marlins. Chicago Cubs is going to Brad C. Houston Astros is Nathan G. Cleveland Indians and Oakland Athletics is David P. New York Yankees is Nathan G. Milwaukee Brewers, Brad C. Philadelphia Phillies, David P. LA Dodgers, Nathan G. Colorado Rockies, Nathan G. And Arizona Diamondbacks ending up the order with Dave N. So we have Dave N, Dave P, Steve. We got all kinds of guys in here, so it's good. Chewy. So let me go over here real quick. Let me enter the breaks right here. Delete that out. Put it back in. Let me go grab it. Copy that. I'll go back over here real quick so you guys can kind of see what you got. Like that. And then I'm going to go here real quick over here. I don't know if anybody wants to do a trade or anything like that. I do accept trades, but once I start going, it's kind of like done and done. So, apply scene changes. Oh yeah, no, it's absolutely it's yeah. So okay, that's what I thought you were talking about, man. Yeah. Sky's the limit for Baker Mayfield, huh? That's all right. You know what? That's our offensive coordinator out of Minnesota. Is your new Cleveland Browns head coach, by the way. Guess what? Cleveland will probably make the playoffs this next year. So going over the break scene. All right, let's get this going, man. Sorry. 1, 2, and 3. I got a 4-sided die here. One 4-sided die. I'm going to roll. If it comes up 4, we'll roll it again. Came up with a 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1. So box 1 we're going to do. Box 1. 2 and 3 will be off to the side. Good luck. Here we go. Let's get it done. Oh, my glove tore, so I gotta get a new glove. No, I don't. Grab these out of here like this. Let's see. Come on out. There they are. They're all out of that box. All out of that box. There they are. Oh yeah, that glove tore really good. Alright, so let my tan dry off. So let's go like this. Let's go like that. Go Houston! Sorry. All right, here we go. Good luck. One pack at a time. If you haven't been around before, I do break a little slower than your average breaker. I like to show you guys the cards because there are, like you see, refractors on the back end. So here we go. Good luck. Jose Altuve, Houston. Cody Bellinger. And behind there you have a purple 206 out of 250 of Mitch Keller, rookie. Where the hell is my base? Wow, looks like you got another Mitch Keller. Pittsburgh Pirates, you're on the board. Rookie card, nice hit. Yeah, 206 out of 250, Pittsburgh. Mitch Keller. Sort. Okay, there we go. Another one, I believe, of Mitch Keller. Yep, it is. A refractor. Cracked ice, man. Look at that. Like a cracked ice looking look. That's awesome. Not numbered, but another one, Pittsburgh. So, Pittsburgh Pirates. Who had Pittsburgh? Nathan G. Last spot mojo. Congratulations, Nathan G. Paid out double. Boom. Double trouble. And then right behind him, we got Jacob deGrom, which is a refractor for the New York Mets. Next pack. Danny Machado, San Diego. Next one. Alex Bregman, base. Next one is of Clayton Kershaw, LA Dodgers. And behind him we have ourselves the franchise favorites of Jonathan Indy, India. Jonathan India. Cincinnati Reds. We go a little parallel. Reds, Nathan G. And on the back end, J.D. Martinez, refractor. So let's see here. So we got a refractor, we got refractor, we've got base, base, base. Let me just grab these guys because I consider them naked when they don't have a sleeve on them. I like to penny sleeve up everything, so it's your guys' cards. I try to protect them as the best that I know how. Ooh, we got Washington coming up. Ooh, we got something nice coming here. So, Alexander Bogaerts, Red Sox. What else we got here? You got a rookie card? No. Mookie Betts, Red Sox. And we got a power. And it looks like we got an auto right off the bat here. So second pack in, Adley Rutschman. Baltimore, a little power. And I believe this is this is the auto. So let's flip it over and see what we get. Boom! And it's the Minnesota Twins. Yep. Rookie card. Look at that. Williams, Astudillo. I don't even know how to say his last name, man. And he plays for us. That's bad, Bergie. Astudillo. I don't know. I can't even say it. I'm not going to butcher it anymore. I'm done butchering. So Minnesota Twins. Look at that. Brad C. Congratulations. There you go. And behind there we have a Max Schweitzer. Somebody put this in chat today, so they're like, dude, that ain't how you say his name. I know. At least it's not as bad as basketball. I butchered basketball. Oof. Torres. Yankees. Base. Ozzy Albies. Braves. Base. Ramon Laureano. Oakland Athletics. Rookie card. Oakland. Dave P. There you go. And a little die cut Cincinnati Reds Future Foundations of Hunter Green. Cincinnati Reds. Nathan G. And a refractor rookie of Austin Riley for the Atlanta Braves. Steve Sports Cards. There you go. Next pack, next side. Should be another autograph coming here. So Kyle Wright, rookie card. Atlanta Braves. Again, Steve Sports Cards. Congrats. Next one is of Juan Duplanter. Rookie card. Nice looking card, man. Arizona. D-backs. Dave N. Next one is rookie card. UC Kikuchi. I believe for the Mariners. Rookie. Steve Sports Cards. Next one is of Juan Soto. Washington. Juan Soto. Sorry. Soto. Bergie's eyes look at an O and thought it was an A again. Juan Soto. Washington Nationals. Dave N. Next one. Refractor of Chris Davis. DH. Oakland Athletics. So this box had a lot of Oakland in it. Dave P. All right, see if this last pack has the auto. Should. We got Mitch Keller on the back end as a refractor. And up on the front, we got Nick Lodolo. Alex Manano. I want to say Maneo. Like Maneo? Like Noah? Manoa? Maze Manoa. Toronto Blue Jays. Next one is a nice refractor, and our autograph is down there, of Fernando Tatis Jr. Tatis. Look at that rookie card. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is just, that's awesome looking. Congratulations, San Diego Padres. Nathan G. There you go. And the autograph is going to be for the Cardinals again. Zach Thomas. Wow. 3 Cardinals out of 3 boxes. Little mini boxes. 2 out of the first mini. 1 out of this one. St. Louis Cardinals. Chewy. There you go. Little Zach Thomas for you. Congratulations on that. And then Mitch Keller, like I said, was on the back end. Yeah, that is a nice looking card, man. That is. That's a sweet looking power hitter, man. That's a beauty. So, all right, here we go. First pack, other side, other mini box. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. So Shohei Ohtani is on the first side. That's just your base card. Your next one coming out is your rookie card, though, for Kyle Tucker. Houston Astros. Houston Astros. There you go. Little rookie card. I'm going to throw him in a top loader just because I can. Takes a little bit longer, but whatever. Mike Trout. Ooh, look at that. Another Cardinal coming up. Mike Trout. Little base. Here we got another looking nice shimmer. Look at this. Nolan Gorman. Cool looking card. St. Louis Cardinals. Nice chipped ice. Got cracked ice look. Really nice looking cards these cards are, I have to say. And behind him we have Jose Altuve for Houston as a refractor. So Houston, congratulations. On to the next pack. Will it be an autograph? Maybe, maybe not. They got stuck on my hand. That was pretty funny. JJ, let's see, let's put this down. Belde, JJ Belde out of Miami. That's a TP18. So that's one of the short print kind of cards, or one of the parallel prints actually. Charlie Blackmon. Look at that. Colorado Rockies. It's a nice little base. Nice looking base card. Next card is of Chris Sale. Red Sox. That's another TP card. No, it's not. I thought it would be. No, it's base. Next one is of, boom, Baltimore Orioles, Adley Rutschman. I can't say this guy's last name to save my left toe. Rutschman. Baltimore Orioles. There you go, Baltimore. Nathan G. And the last card out of the pack is a refractor of Manny Machado. San Diego Pods. A little refractor action. There you go. Next pack. Top card is Josh Young. All the other cards are all spinning around in circles. TP8, I was going to say. One's got a little shine to it. Texas. Forrest Whitley. Houston. Looks like we got another power hitter. This was just your Austin Riley, standard looking one. Rookie card though, nice. Well, nice Austin Riley. Atlanta Braves. Steve, there you go. And behind there we have ourselves our autograph, our third autograph out of the box. Pittsburgh, Mitch Keller, rookie. Look at that. Wow. Is that on card? Dude, that's on card, isn't it? Oh, heck yeah, man. That is totally on card. That is slick. That's a nice auto right there. Pittsburgh Pirates, congratulations. Nathan G, last spot mojo. There you go. That's a nice card. Non-sticker auto. Rookie. Bing, bing. Nice. And then we got Xander Bogaerts with a refractor in the back end for the Red Sox. All right, 3 packs left to go. Good stuff, good stuff. Mookie Betts is on the back end with a refractor, as you can see. So we're going to have another Bo Sock, a little Red Sox coming up. Nolan Gorman on the front end. TP15. Cards. Another St. Louis Cards with Paul Goldschmidt. Base. And your next one is of Yoan Mossad. I don't even know. I can't even do it right now. Monsada. Jan Monsada. Base. Don't know why I have such a hard time with that name. Don't know why. Jonathan India. There you go. Look at that. Cincinnati Reds. A little die cut action there. So. Look at that. Nice. Congratulations, Cincinnati. And then Mookie Betts refractor on the back end. So Cincinnati Reds was Nathan G, and then Mookie Betts was the Boston Red Sox. That's Gary M. So I know I haven't said Gary's name, so there you go, Gary. I think everybody's getting a little bit of something. So the only one I haven't said, I believe, is I think everybody. Look at that. Dave N. Yeah, even Dave N's got something, I believe, Washington. So Josh Bell, here we go. Second to the last pack. I believe that last pack's going to be the autograph if it was like the other boxes. So Josh Bell, base. Paul DeLong, Cardinals. Lots of Cardinals in this. Cardinals would sell high. Sell high, sell high. Washington, here we go. Just spoke of Washington Nationals. Carter Kieboom. Rookie, Washington. That's Dave N. There you go, Dave. Congratulations. And behind him, we have ourselves a yellow and silver. Look at that. Yellow and silver. Franchise. C.J. Abrams out of San Diego. Wow. Nice, man. San Diego. There you go. Pods. Nathan G. Last little one, like we said before, was of Torres, New York Yankees, refractor. Last pack will be the autograph. Last autograph in the break. Good luck. Here we go. Let's see who's in it. Let's see who our auto is. Anthony Rizzo. Cubbies. Base. Next one. Oh, don't spin around. Don't spin around. There you go. Rookie card, Jeff McNeil for the New York Mets. New York Mets rookie, Nathan G. I'll put that over there because I got only a couple more top loaders left, and I got to get some. Hunter Bishop. That's a TP. So that's in San Francisco Giants. Hunter Bishop. And your autograph is of, you ready? Cody Hoyce. Horsey. Cody Horsey. LA Dodgers. Nathan G. Hoyce. And the last hit out of the box break is Kyle Wright, rookie card, refractor, Bowman's best. Congratulations to the Atlanta Braves for the last hit out of the break of a refractor. Okay. That top loader is dead. There we go. That's it. That's all I got. That's all I have. That's all we have for the break. So, LA Dodgers autograph. Keller, Pirates. Thompson, Cardinals. And Williams, Astilio with the Minnesota Twins rookie card. There you go, folks. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out Triple B Collectibles and Bergie's Box Breaks. Remember to give us a thumbs up and a like and a follow on YouTube. We're trying to get to 100 follows. Thanks for watching again. Peace out. God bless. Thank you for serving our country. Stand up for the flag and rock on, brothers and sisters. Later, Gator.